Question number 1. All of the following measures are used to decrease brain edema except option A hydrocortisone, B hyperventilation, C dextrose infusion, D mannitol infusion. Answer C dextrose infusion. Question number 2. The following nervous supply to the muscle of the forearm except option A musculocutaneous nerve, B radial nerve, C median nerve, D ulnar nerve. Answer A musculocutaneous nerve. Question number 3. The flexors that supply nerve to the skin and muscle of the upper limb and some of the chest muscle is option A cervical flexus, B brachial flexus, C lumbar flexus, C sacral flexus. Answer B brachial flexus. Question number 4. Which of the following score indicate coma in an adult patient as per Glasgow Coma Scale? Option A 0, B 5, C 9, D 12. Answer B 5. Question number 5. Uncoordinated movement of the extremities in the patient with traumatic brain injury is termed as option A ataxia, B apraxia, C dystonia, D dyskinesia. Answer A ataxia. Question number 6. Which of the following activity is increased by sympathetic nervous system? Option A heart rate, B secretion of digestive juice, C secretion of saliva, D all of these. Answer A heart rate. Question number 7. Which of the following substance can lead to neurological injury in a newborn known as? Option A bile salt, B conjugated bilirubin, C unconjugated bilirubin, D biliverdin. Answer C unconjugated bilirubin. Question number 8. Number of spinal nerve is option A 28 pair, B 30 pair, C 31 pairs, D 33 pairs. Answer C 31 pair. Question number 9. All of the following are neurotransmitter except option A dopamine, B GABA, C serotonin, D troponin. Answer D troponin. Question number 10. Best blood test to assess the fluid status in burn patient. Option A electrolyte level, B creatine level, C hematocrit, D hemoglobin level. Answer C hematocrit. Question number 11. Primary function of skin is option A vitamin D synthesis, B production, C sensation, D temperature regulation. Answer B production. Question number 12. Sensational loss that occur first leprosy is option A temperature, B pain, C touch, D pressure. Answer A temperature. Question number 13. Most preferred site for administering injection magnesium sulfate is muscle. Option A deltoid, B ventrogluteal, C vastus lateralis, D dorsogluteal. Answer B ventrogluteal. Question number 14. Drug of choice to treat cancer pain is answer A tramadol, B opioid, C diclofenac sodium, D diversion therapy. Answer B opioids. Question number 15. Health promotion in the older adult are primarily focused on option A adherence to medication, B avoid smoking, C teaching positive health behavior, D talking to others. Answer C teaching positive health behavior. Question number 16. Stress is always of the client. Option A adaptation, B lifestyle, C perception, D tolerance. Answer C perception. Question number 17. Patient health is determined based upon option A behavior, B family support, C knowledge, D education. Answer A behavior. Question number 18. Xerophthalmia refers to option A dryness of conjunctiva, B dry mouth, C fatty growth develop underneath the skin, D lacrimation. Answer A dryness of conjunctiva. Question number 19. Mantac test is the sensitivity test for option A AIDS, B bronchial asthma, C allergic disorder, D tuberculosis. Answer D tuberculosis. Question number 20. Most common type of burn injuries. Option A chemical, B electrical, C thermal, D inhalation. Answer C thermal.